My very first time on campus, the beauty of it blew me away. Being able to call a place home is something that's truly special to a campus. Bryant University prides itself on building students with character and leadership. They hone in on that leadership aspect, and in every course that I've taken, the essential skills that you learn will be used in whatever field you end up working in. At some institutions, I think there is a barrier between your professors and you. But here at Bryant, the professors make you a priority, whether it's being able to get a hold of them when I need help with an assignment, or just walking into their office and talking about my life and my future plans. There is a huge transparency between the students and the professors, and that is why I love this school so much. When Bryant looks at individuals, they want to sustain you not just in your 4 years here, but even the 4 years after. Bryant University inspires me to excel by giving me a foundation that I know that wherever I go and wherever I end up, that foundation will always stay true to who I am.